In primary school, our teacher taught us to carry out a division process that is implied by numbers given in decimal fractional form, as we have right here. And in those days, we usually have fun time carrying out these operations. We enjoy them immensely. And I don't know what has happened since then, but give students an expression like this, and they cannot even begin. Our first step would be to clear the denominator of any decimal fraction by multiplying by the required power of 10, increasing it by the appropriate number of decimal places, which is quite a mouthful, but it is as simple as this. Clear the denominator of any decimal fraction. By so doing, we will be increasing this number by a particular number of decimal places. The number of decimal places will be the number representing the power of 10 that we are multiplying by. So we will begin by clearing the denominator of all decimal fraction. In order for that to take place, the decimal point will have to be placed to the right of all non-zero digits. And for that to take place, it's an increase by 3 places of decimal, meaning that we are multiplying by 10 to the power of 3. When that is accomplished, we will use that as a mark of what we should do to the numerator. If we increase the denominator by 3 places of decimal, we will do the same to the numerator. Increase by 3 places of decimal. Increasing by 3 places of decimal makes it into a whole number, and that's what we are talking about, is the denominator. We then increase the numerator by the same number of decimal places. Three decimal places. Now, as you have seen, increasing by 3 decimal places does not remove all of the decimal fractions from the numerator, but that is okay. The division process is then carried out on the spot. We don't use another frame in which to do the division process. We do it right here. And this is how we progress. We say 25 divided by 5. As a matter of fact, we should really say 2 divided by 5, and that would not give us any whole number result. Therefore, we would naturally have a 0 there. But it is not necessary to have a 0 beginning a whole number. Therefore, we just go straight ahead and say 5 into 25. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Then we go to the next digit. 3 divided by 5 results in no whole number. 0 whole number. The 0 has to take its rightful place there. It's a place holding 0. If we do not put the 0 there, then it will greatly affect the value of the result. Then we say 37 divided by 5. That is equal to 7 times and remainder 2. The 7 goes first and we place the remainder 2 right there. And that is how we did it in the good old days without the use of a calculator. Then it will be the alignment of the points. Notice that this result that we had by increasing by 3 places of decimal, we still have a decimal point here to reckon with. and it will go next. So the decimal point is going to be vertically aligned with this one. We traverse the digits doing our division. When we get to the decimal point, then we do what's right with the decimal point, and it will be vertically aligned with the 1 in the answer. As a matter of fact, the 1 in the answer is required to be vertically aligned with this one. Then we proceed to the digits, and we will say 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5, and 5 is placed right there. The final answer is 507.5, and that is our correct answer.
For access to hundreds of free videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Richard James Mathematics Resources. For unlimited access to thousands of exclusive full-length videos, please subscribe to our Vimeo channel, Richard James Mathematics Resources.